first activity is going to be one of my favorites, which is the question spinner. And it's got some fun and big questions that we can have some interesting discussions around. We got the most philosophical question here.
The most pressing question.
Can a hot dog be classified as a sandwich?
I mean, it's something between two pieces of bread.
I think it entirely depends on what you define as a sandwich.
It's like a taco.
If you think about a cube, two sides of a cube with something in the middle. And a hot dog or a taco is three sides of a cube.
My answer to this question is that it's a cannoli.
Okay, but what if, so say we have a hot dog. Here's my little hot dog bun. And it's one piece. But what if you break it and then put your hot dog? Does that then become a sandwich?
For me, that would make it a sandwich.
Oh, okay.
Basically, depending on the construction of the outer food, it could be, a hot dog could be a cannoli, a sandwich, or a taco.
What if it's two hot dogs with bread inside?
Wow, that's good. This is really good perspectives here. How will AI impact society as it becomes more widely used?
You can make like AI art, and like, what's the point of looking at art unless it's like made by somebody, like hard work?
I'm just kind of wondering, like for artists, what kind of control they're going to be able to have over their image, even their voices.
There isn't like a solution where they can both stay alive and keep growing.
What kind of jobs are going to become obsolete? And
coding?
I'd say things that are essential to the economy and the world, they will not become obsolete.
What are the pros and cons of colonizing other planets?
It would use a lot of resources, and like rocket ships are made out of aluminum, I believe. And while there is some aluminum on Mars, it's not like a lot of it. And I don't know how long it would take for us to maybe dwindle down on supplies.
Do you think humans, considering how we've treated our planet, do you think we're responsible enough to colonize other planets?
If we can find alternatives to the way that we are doing things right now, then that'll make a big difference.
I feel like if we did colonize another planet like Mars, we would attempt to be smarter.
Have we learned enough that we cannot repeat our mistakes?
No, we are still humans.
We are going to do GeoGuessr, which is a geography game that you have to use a little bit of critical thinking and looking around to figure out where in the world we are.
What language is that?
I
see Cyrillic.
I can't see a language. Cyrillic? Are you sure?
Yeah, yes, because it says Kafevo. Or everything I've seen so far is Cyrillic, rather.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm seeing Cyrillic. Okay.
And then Kazalaeva. I don't know what that means, but
I think it's
let's see.
Yeah.
I just randomly guessed.
Wow, I wasn't that far away. Okay, I don't know what direction to go.
Are we driving on the right side? Yeah, we're
driving on the right side.
It doesn't have to be America. It just wasn't under British control at any point.
Yes.
You know what? It's kilometers.
There's a castle upcoming, though.
That says St. George.
It does.
Gay. Good luck, everyone.
It was Romania.
Looks very Romanian.
Trees.
Yeah, lots of trees.
Tropical.
Tropical.
And we're driving on the right side of the road. Maria Clara Lobregat Highway.
Subiri. Wait a minute. This says gtbe.co fiber, and it says apply now. It's in English, but it looks.
This gives Philippine vibes.
Colombia is CO.
I found a school.
Okay, I'm gonna have to say South America somewhere, but I don't know.
Philippines.
I'm gonna go Colombia.
Oh,
dang! I was so wrong.
Philippines.
I don't. You know what it could be? It looks like parts of Italy. It looks like parts of Eastern Europe.
I was gonna say it's giving a little bit of France, like with the hills and the villages on the side of the hills.
Yeah.
But it's right near the water. Is this an ocean or a sea?
It could be a lake too.
This is hard.
Not to play devil's advocate or anything.
Just saw
someone. Going Croatia. I don't know.
I'm Good
luck, everyone.
I'm going France.
Oh no.
Oh, that's Turkey.
Wrong.
Okay. Nice.
I know where this is. I know where this is.
It's in the UK.
I don't know where I am.
This could be Ireland, actually.
It does look.
Really?
This could be Ireland
because of Brexit. They aren't in.
Yep. So it's got to be Ireland.
Yeah.
I'm seeing football flags.
There's
Oh, I
a
found
sign
the
that
city.
says Limerick.
Found it.
Yeah,
I put right in the middle.
I'm just going Dublin.
Oh,
Good job,
Almost.
everyone.
We're all gonna draw a creature. We're gonna have the same parts of a creature, but everyone's gonna draw it like slightly differently. And then we're gonna go around the group and everyone's gonna give a suggestion for a body part.
Can we do the head of a dragonfly?
this will be perfect.
Okay, this
And
is not going to be a
when-
good drawing.
That's okay. That's okay. They'll be full of personality. right?
Admittedly, my guy's looking a little bit more like a praying mantis.
I'm going to give you guys the next one. Gigantic elephant ears.
I made my head too big.
I feel like I'm running a marathon.
But let's do water bottle arms.
How am I supposed to do that without a torso?
Exactly.
Wow. You know what? I'm feeling really confident right now.
Guys, ears are lopsided. How's it going?
Well, thank you. For just a really big neck.
I made the arms very tiny.
You want to add a piece?
We're not gonna do a torso. We're gonna do legs.
Oh
Just
no.
straight from the neck to the legs.
Oh, I
We're
love
gonna
it.
do
I love it.
tires.
Wait,
Like
we want the
car tires.
Tires?
Yeah.
Can they be like long tires?
Make them have suspension coming down from the neck.
Yes.
I don't know how to draw
I love
suspension, but I'm
that.
going to try. Can we do cute hubcaps?
this thing looks horrible.
I'm
You
rather
gotta
Okay,
You
my
guys gotta give
wheel
us
looks
one.
more like it belongs on the Flintstones car, but that's fine.
I tried my best to draw suspension. I'm not gonna lie.
Do the tail from the guy from How to Train Your Dragon.
We're gonna get some creative interpretation here.
Let me see your drawings. Who is going to show off their Michelangelo first?
I can.
That is really
Amazing.
good.
So really big ears, and then I did the cheap bottles.
Here we go. Oh,
Ah, nice.
that's
There you
Still
go.
better than, still superior to mine.
Love
Yeah.
it.
I'll go. I'll just rip the band-aid off. This
I
monstrosity.
love that.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, there you go.
That looks really
Cool.
cool.
His name is Rudy.
This is my guy.
Fantastic work. Thank you guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye,
you.
thanks.